Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm gonna give you guys a quick little balcony update. It's been a hot minute since I showed you guys what is going on with the balcony. Currently outside, it is currently 7, and then after this I'm gonna go to Lowe's and to you guys punch shopping because they had an insane plant shipment. I know I'm not supposed to be going to Lowe's because I'm currently on a no plant ban. Like I'm not buying any plants and it's going pretty good. But this month just started. Been very tempted, but I'm getting better like not, buying plants, but I can still enjoy plant shopping, like window shopping. But yes, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little balcony tour. This plant is absolutely gorgeous. Like look at the beautiful leaves. But I'm gonna show you guys what I have in the balcony. It's been pretty crazy. Very difficult to go ahead and water all of these plants, but we're gonna go and figure it out. Because I'll explain later on what I mean. But yeah, so without further ado, let's start with the balcony video. Alrighty. So, sorry, because my brother's like, they've been coming over and he's just messing with me in the window. But here is a quick little overview on the balcony. There is annoying ants. As you can see him right there. Super annoying. And usually I don't get any problems with ants, but we were eating grapes and I guess one of them fell. So I gotta go and pick that up later on. But see, here is the balcony. I would turn on the top lights, which I got from Walmart. But as I was watering, I kid you not, I water went into the little thingy, and since then I've been beyond careful with watering, and I'm so traumatized. Thank God it locked itself. Like it just cut off the part, which is why it's like yellow, like something like it just locked itself, which I cannot unlock it by pressing the button. But I'm gonna put the little cover back in the thing. So yes, but currently I've been hand watering the balcony. I do like from like videos on Instagram like me watering the hose. But I just spray like this for like 4 seconds and then I just stop watering, just enough for the video. So yes, but trust me, I already figured it out. It was very scary, but everything's okay. Yo, look at this fiddle. This was a fiddle that we bought from a while back. It got really big. It did got really bad sunburn, but theoretically fiddles do belong outside, y'all, and it basically hardened off, and that's exactly what I wanted because I wanted to get full light fertilizer and consistent water, and she's been putting out new leaves. Like look at this, super duper fun. There's also new leaves coming in over here. There's a lot of stuff happening outside. Oh my god. But she's been putting out lots of new leaves. Super duper happy. Love her. Like I'm literally obsessed with this fiddle. And then we have my silver blues hanging over here. This one just keeps turning to that side. They've been drying out really fast because of the weather. It's really hot in San Antonio. The bigger one it was a lot worse yesterday, but I hand watered it this morning, so it's starting to perk back up. I gotta water it again. The Brazil is just chilling over here. The little stuff you see on the windows because I was spraying some like pesticide to get rid of like mealybugs in here. My twister plants, my little golden pothos above that I propagated by nodes, and it's doing so good. Like look at this. The micans, my pothos enjoy. Pretty big. Yeah. And then over here we have the green philodendron. Finally put out its new leaf. Super duper excited. The Tritus scantii, and then the iconic Manjula pothos that everybody's obsessed with. I'm literally in love with this plant. It's so beautiful. Love the leaves. This little set, it comes with 2 chairs, but one of them is inside. I got it from Walmart and it was for $2.34. Well, it was $3.24. Okay, sorry. It was $3.24, but it was on sale for $2.89, and I got it for $2.89. And then I just checked recently, and now you guys, it's $2.34 at Walmart. It's such a cute little set. It's 2 chairs and a little table. My boyfriend built it for me, beyond grateful, and he said it was really easy, so that's a bonus. And then I got these mosquito things that I got from Walmart as well. I haven't turned it on yet, but whenever I'm outside, I can use this to like repel mosquitoes. And this beautiful calendarium that I'm madly in love with. I got it at Lowe's. I know they die off and like in the fall, but they come back every year, like little bulbs. raindrop peperonia. My Thai constellation, we just put out this new leaf. So beautiful. Developing these insane roots. But look at that beautiful leaf. So pretty. Oh my god. And then my rubber's foot fern. Some other goodies para acá. I do have my potos enjoying these hanging containers that I got from the 99cent store. I just like left it to capture the water. A lot of these plants have saucers. We have a philodendron, potos enjoy, lemon lime philodendron, Brazil, a syngonium that is reaching for more light, and starfish sansevieria. Here is an update on the traded skin that we propagated. As you can see, it's doing really good. My variegated agglumina put out this new leaf. And this Hoya is honestly so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go show you guys the rest of the plants later on when the ice cream truck passes by. Alrighty, so here is a Hoya. I got it from a 4-inch pot from plantarena.com. It's been putting out so many new leaves, and look at those, the variegation. It's so beautiful. And I have it next to my bird of paradise, which is this big girl from Lively Roots. This is one of its newest leaves. It's so huge. I'm gonna try to point it out, but it's starting to put out new leaves, I'm pretty sure. Another new leaf. Another new leaf. I have my Tinikis para acá. My split leaf philodendron, which is all the leaves are pointing out. And then this really cute Hoya that just finished blooming. Variegated maranta. This other cutie, global green philodendron. Oh, my Jaceina potos está para acá afuera también. Sorry, it's outside as well. Look at her. Beautiful. What else do we got? Some other Hoyas. That's my asparagus fern outside because it wasn't doing so good inside. Hopefully it can do a lot better para acá afuera. And then this one is starting to unfurl its new leaf. The philodendron coda. Variegated anthurium. And then some other stuff in between the plants. Here is a hope peperonia that's pretty thirsty. And I'm literally so done. I placed a lot of these plants into ricotta pots for aesthetics, but they're drying out so fast. Oh my god. This really cute variegated sansevieria. You can see some air plants shoved in between in the corners. This Hoya. Calathea mosaic, a moonshine sansevieria that I have outside because if I place it inside, it's gonna revert back to green. And what else? Some other stuff. Golden Goddess philodendron that I almost killed, but it's starting to bounce back. And then this one we got from the clearance section at Lowe's. It's a Chinese money plant, which I don't really love because they get all ugly, but usually, oh my god, usually it's because they need a lot of light. So hopefully it's gonna be a lot happier in that spot. But yeah, it's just like a quick little update on all the plants. To be honest, the hanging plants are needing a lot more water than anything else. This Brazil has been like, it's really, really drought tolerant, but it also needs a good watering. Let Potos enjoy. Literally runs todo the very, very top. Trying to like film it outside how it looks, but I'm scared I'm gonna drop the phone. Oh my god. Okay. See, this is the plant keep dropping, which is why you see tierra. That's currency key. Gotta place it somewhere else. Honestly, one of these days I'm gonna go ahead and film a redoing the balcony, and I'm also planning on selling some plants or just giving them away because like I need to downgrade just a little bit. But this guy is a really, really cool plant, but it needs something to climb on to make those really, really cool leaves that look like keys, which is why they call it skeleton key. Alright, Plenty friends, that is basically it for today. Just want to show you guys what I have in the balcony and how they're doing, because I get a lot of questions on Instagram, like how do I water the plants and hang the plants, and also like what kind of plants I have outside. Honestly, what I do on watering the plants in the balcony, I water at night when everybody's asleep, and I do it by sessions. That's the only way I can do it, because if I water way too much, it's gonna drip downstairs. So a lot of these plants have saucers as well. I do it like in the night, and I do it for only like 10 minutes. Anything longer than that, it's gonna like go downstairs, and that's not what we want. So yeah, and for any pests, I don't really have any pest problems. The only thing I have right now is ants, and that's because of that grate from the floor, but I just found that out, so get from the balcony as well. Honestly, I'm gonna do a balcony cleaning video one of these days. I feel like it'll be super duper satisfying. We can also go ahead and rearrange the balcony on how it looks. But that's basically it. Thank you so much for joining me to this single video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Same positive vibes to each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.